We are back on Facebook Live, and today we have, now we have Steve Jackson. Can you tell us a little bit about your role with the company, and what some of our customers and partners are doing with you today?
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm Steve Jackson. I'm the Business Development Director for EMEA in Asia. And my role is to build out our partner ecosystem, work with partners, and enable our partners and help really engage with our customers, provide added value into the whole process of rolling out Couchbase.
And so we are here at the EU, and this is your neck of the woods. Right. I can tell that by the accent. Mine's slightly different. But, can you kind of talk about some of the highlights so far of the day? Absolutely. And, what you've been most excited to see and what you're most excited to see after, because we're still midway through.
We are. And, so it's great to come to these events and you get to see the execs of the company talking about our successes, our product roadmap, where we're going in the future. But actually, the real essence of these events is that we bring our partners and our customers into a forum where they can talk about what they've been doing with their technology and their use cases and their experience of how Couchbase works in the real world.
Now, closer to your heart, though, we have a ton of partners here today, as well as a ton of customers. Yeah. Can you talk to us a little bit about some of the incredible support that we've received? What are the things that you're hearing about, right, and what should people be excited to know?
So we've got over 50 partners here today, which is great news, and they range from the largest systems integrators like Infosys and HCL and Accenture and CGI, through to small specialist boutique systems integrators and resellers that are experts in their particular vertical market or in some form of digital transformation. It's really unusual to have all these people in one room, frankly, at the same time. And what I'm seeing today is that we've got a couple of these guys presenting their experiences. For example, Spindox, a partner in Italy, has been talking about how they've been working on a proof of concept with Poste Italiane, which is going to revolutionize the customer engagement for that customer. So time and time again, we see the partners are very, very critical to our engagement with some very, very large accounts, be they large partners or small partners.
And that's great to hear. And I know that I think a lot of our customers and partners can learn a lot. If there's one thing that I guess you would want to say to them, right, and that I think our customers and partners would want to hear, what would you say?
So I talk to partners pretty much every day, and what they say to me, and the reason they want to engage with Couchbase is that we're the only technology out there, the only NoSQL JSON database technology that can operate at massive scale in a highly performant way. So that's a real driver for them to do business with us, because they don't have any other solution, right? The other key thing is just our mobile technology. Our mobile technology is absolutely amazing, and we're seeing such demand, and that's driving a lot of partner adoption. So they're finding that that's opening all sorts of business opportunities for them to improve customer performance and allows them to develop applications with the database sitting on the edge device and operating all the time. So, a final word is, I'd just like to thank these guys for engaging with us, working with us on some of these amazing use cases and some very, very large accounts. And we look forward to doing, future business with them in the future.
I definitely know that they definitely, I think they'll appreciate the thank you. And I know that from this event, more and more things are going to be happening. So I appreciate your help and your time today. And, I look forward to working again with you.
Thank you, Eric. Good to see you.
Yeah.